Hi, so today let's talk about the importance of organizational patterns for speeches and presentations. And these are just a few. There's topical patterning, chronological order, spatial reasoning, cause and effect, problem and solution. Topical patterning is where you turn broad topics such as phones into something more specific, which you can go into specific phone brands and then specifically what those phone brands are, such as Apple, Samsung, LG, Motorola, or more. The other is chronological order, where you organize your speech in a timeline from beginning to end. An example with phones is the advancement of telephones. From the beginning, it was made to the modern smartphone, how it transformed from a way of communication to a way of entertainment and a brand new piece of technology. Spatial reasoning is where instead you organize information based fixed on location and space. An example being the different parts and components of a phone. You can go into the screen, the charger port, the headphone jack, and all the internals such as the CPU and the battery and everything else. Cause and effect is where you explain the connection between an action and an outcome before the beginning, the cause and effect. You can explain that dropping phones breaks the screens, obviously. Water damages the internals, no charging the phone means that it doesn't turn on. And then finally, problem and solution. This is where you show a problem and how to solve it. This is useful for persuasive speeches, such as in the example of phones, you could say that choosing a phone is hard and difficult, but some way of solving that problem, choosing one, can be deciding based on camera quality, battery life, the processor speed, price, and other factors that may go into purchasing one. And these patterns as a whole are useful because it makes your speeches more impactful and more persuasive. It allows you, even you, it helps you, the one giving the speech, to organize it better, to allow for the listeners or the readers or anybody paying attention, interacting with this, to better see the layout of how this speech is, and it allows your speech to become more powerful as a result, more impactful to everyone else.